Since its independence, the state of Kuwait has been encouraging innovation in a wide range of fields to improve the quality of life for the population. The government has acknowledged the key role that innovation plays in the development of the economy and has devised plans to rapidly respond to change. The Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research is a significant player in these plans. By investing in innovative research that identifies solutions for industrial and environmental challenges, both existing and upcoming, the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research inventions are aligned with global technology trends in petroleum recovery and refining, energy conservation and recovery, building materials, water desalination and management, and in environmental protection and assessment, all of which combined contribute to Kuwait's ability to achieve its stated sustainable development goals. Metal organic frameworks are the new class of materials for water desalination application. This Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research patent discloses a facile and efficient method for the synthesis of novel water and thermally stable metal organic frameworks with specific characteristics for membrane fabrication to desalinate water. The invention includes a metal organic framework synthesis protocol. As such, the process does not include any high-temperature heating and is more eco-friendly due to the use of water as the reaction medium. The novel metal organic frameworks and its nanocomposite membranes are beneficial to control the scaling and fouling issues in the membrane-based desalination plants, which occur due to divalent ions present in the seawater feed. To address the less salt rejection and water permeability of the existing membranes for seawater pretreatment, and economically feasible to reduce both operational and maintenance costs in the desalination industry. Asphaltene is considered a low-value byproduct in the petroleum industry, or sometimes a waste, due to its economic burdens. The idea of the invented method includes one or more steps that are based on thermal and/or chemical treatments. The thermal treatment carbonizes the asphaltene in a rotating quartz tube furnace under an inert atmosphere. The carbonization process is performed at a temperature of 400 to 900 degrees Celsius. The chemical treatment is performed by dispersing asphaltene molecules in liquid intercalating agents to functionalize the asphaltene and expand the distance between the aromatic sheets. The invention provides innovative methodologies for synthesizing graphene derivatives from asphaltene, a low-value byproduct in the petroleum industry. The scientific and technical data from this invention can also be utilized to determine the impact of synthesis techniques on properties of graphene derivatives for different applications. Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research have developed innovative technology to meet the challenges of providing fresh water and air conditioning, which face most countries in arid climates and who suffer from high temperatures, such as the state of Kuwait. The research team achieved this scientific breakthrough by developing an innovative system that integrates forward osmosis techniques with a cooling cycle that works by vapor absorption. The idea of the invented process is based on the forward osmosis system for desalination, which uses a draw solution of high concentration with a high osmotic pressure. This solution has thermal properties that separate it from fresh water through the thermal effect to produce fresh water and recycle the draw solution. This innovative system is unique and incomparable globally. The results prove that this technology is technically and economically feasible in simultaneous seawater desalination and air conditioning. An innovative system that can be used to fabricate advanced microfluids and nanofluid coolants and measure their thermal performance for any real-life liquid-cooled computers with a single, or multiple CPUs and/or GPUs, and at their different setups. The proposed system is the only system capable of fabricating suspensions at controlled or uncontrolled temperatures and measure the thermal performance of these suspensions at different flow rates. One of the key advantages of the invented system is that it eliminates any additional mixing to the suspension, from transferring it from an external mixing source to the examining cycle. One of the benefits of this invention is its ability to fabricate microfluid and nanofluid advanced coolants in a controlled manner. The invented device does not produce any greenhouse emissions, and therefore it is environmentally friendly. A novel device for testing the resistance of materials to failure due to stress corrosion cracking. Stress corrosion cracking is considered to be the most dangerous form of failure. The invention is a novel testing rig for the determination of the susceptibility of materials to stress corrosion cracking, utilizing all fracture mechanics stress corrosion cracking test methods. The main advantages of the invention are the ability to run various tests utilizing all fracture mechanics stress corrosion cracking test methods at different tensile loads, the ability to test specimens of different materials at the same time, cost-effective, self-loaded, and a small-size rig that can overcome the disadvantages of the customary experimental setup. This allows the testing of the susceptibility of materials that are used as construction materials from major industries such as petroleum and petrochemical plants to any stress corrosion cracking. The Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research is proud to be one of the major players in the regional innovative ecosystem. With high-caliber R&D and innovations in line with the National Strategic Development Plans and the vision of 2035 for New Kuwait. In partnership with private and public stakeholders, the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research provides support to the progress and development of technologies that protects the environment and leads to a diverse economy, focusing on innovative, efficient, and applicable solutions for sustainable development.